Yo, we've got the Samsung Galaxy A51. This is a budget device, so how well does it game? So Sonic the Hedgehog here looking absolutely beautiful. Sounds as good as it plays. And if you haven't checked out the film, check out the film. It actually is really good. And I remember playing this back on the Sega Master System many moons ago. So, ooh, that wasn't so good, was it? Come on, there we go. Loop de loop. So yeah, screen's very reactive. I can't see no dropped frames or anything, but you're not going to really on a game like this. Definitely brings back memories. I'm also a big fan of the drug dealing plumber that is Mario. It looks absolutely beautiful. Again, you're not really going to see any dropped frames here. Whoa. But for casual gaming on the phone, it's absolutely awesome. Whoop. Definitely looks a little bit more pleasing or smoother. No, more modern, I'm gonna say, than Sonic, but Sonic definitely has that retro feel to it. And on a budget phone like this, these things play absolutely awesome, but we both know it's not really stretching the hardware on these 2020 phones at all, these old school games. But it's just good to know they play actually really well, sound really well, and a good time filler if you're a casual gamer. Stuff like, the wife plays Tetris quite a lot, so obviously games like that are gonna be absolutely awesome as well, because they're easier than games like this in the sense of coding, and there's not a lot for the GPU to handle on these absolutely budget awesome devices. Let's put the volume down here because it's going to get awfully loud, and you can already see there's a lot more going on the screen here than the previous games, and I've already started to drop some frames when the game starts to kind of process a crash on the car. You can see some of the anti-aliasing on the rear spoiler of its Mitsubishi here. Look, I gotta say, for a budget device, this absolutely looks beautiful. You can't complain at all how good this looks. Obviously, you're not going to be able to play Fortnite on this thing. I've tried. Fortnite's not even available for this device. So, yeah, that's a little bit of a bummer. I would have at least liked to try it out to see if it would have worked on this device, but it's not even available on the Play Store for this device. So, yeah. But this does look absolutely awesome. You'll notice when I crash into something, that's when you can see the frames dropping ever so slightly. But it does look absolutely beautiful though, I gotta say. For a budget device, can't go wrong. And if you're like me, still playing Pogo, it handles it absolutely awesomely. No issues whatsoever. Still playing it, still a wicked game. If you haven't played it, you better be playing this. Only problem is I have to head on into town. There's not a lot going on here, which is a bit of a shame, but check it out. Level 32 with Charizard. Come on now. But yeah, gaming on the Samsung Galaxy A51, absolutely gorgeous. Can't really complain for the price point of a dirt cheap phone for the hardware that you get with it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a wicked day, and I'll see you next time.